Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we change hotspot password in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to change your hotspot password in your Samsung phone, so friends you can change easily. And friends, now let's see how to change hotspot password in our Samsung phone. In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. First of all guys, open your phone setting and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your phone connection setting. Friends, tap here, guys click on your mobile hotspot, again click on guys your mobile hotspot setting. Friends, you can see your password setting, guys tap here. Friends, click on your password setting and we will cut this password. New password guys you can set, you can change. So I will change into guys 09876543321. Guys, you want to use this alphabet, you can use if you want. So guys, you can see the save option. Guys, first of all click on the save option, then guys your password will change. So as you can see your new password. So like that guys, you can change your hotspot password in your Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.